PJ Mac Gutter Cleaning and Air Duct Service provides professional dryer vent cleaning services in the Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania area. Our skilled team uses rigorous attention to detail and years of knowledge to properly clean your dryer vents, removing lint accumulation and enhancing airflow efficiency. We are dedicated to ensuring that your dryer vents remain unobstructed to prevent fire hazards and maintain your dryer's effectiveness. Our meticulous cleaning method ensures your home's safety and optimal dryer performance, providing you with peace of mind. Contact us today to schedule an appointment. Are you looking for a dryer vent cleaning service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac Gutter Cleaning and Air Duct Service. Is it necessary to clean dryer vents? Dryer vents must be cleaned routinely to avoid lint accumulation, provide adequate airflow, minimize fire risks, and enhance dryer performance. Where do blocked dryer vents appear? Lint and debris sometimes block dryer vents around the vent aperture, within the vent hose, or at the vent connection to the dryer or an outside wall. What is your service area for the Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania office? Our expert contractors have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Bryn Mawr, Rosemont, Ardmore, Penn Valley, Gladwin, West Conshohocken, Narberth, Haverford, Wynwood, Roseglen, Ardmore, Villanova, King of Prussia, Lower Merion Township, and Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania dryer vent cleaning service office located? We are located at 850 West Lancaster Avenue, Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania 19010. Our phone number is 610-424-6452. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-bryn-mawr.